Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's good to have you guys here. And if you're my returning subbies, welcome back. So today's video, we're going to be making hair growth spray that will strengthen in your hair and make your hair grow faster. To make this hair growth spray, I'm going to be using fenugreek seed and rosemary leaves. So we're going to be starting with our fenugreek seed. So fenugreek is loaded and rich in iron and protein, and those are the two compositions that we need for our hair to be strong and grow. Okay, so I'm going to be blending it off camera to save time. So this is how my fenugreek look after blending. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my fenugreek powder into the bowl. The second ingredient we're going to be using is rosemary leaves. I'm also going to be adding my rosemary leaves into the bowl as well.
I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside
you can use the dry rosemary leaves if that's what you have. That should be fine as well. So as we all know, rosemary is essential for hair growth. It stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp, which encourage hair growth, and it also acts as a hair cleanser. It adds shine to our hair, and it's amazing for dandruff, dry scalp, flaky scalp, and scalp inflammation. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying a different method today. So I'm not going to be doing the double boiling method. So I'm going to go ahead and add hot water. Make sure the hot water is really hot. Make sure you add enough water. You will notice that fenugreek tend to rise a lot, and it will definitely soak up all the water. So if you want to have enough treatment for your hair, make sure you add enough water to the fenugreek and rosemary leaves.
here he goes, with his humble act and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice.
Now I'm going to go ahead and cover it for 2 hours.
That would be a lie.
After 2 hours, this is how it looks. Guys, can you see how the fenugreek soaked up all the water? Can you see how the fenugreek just rised? This is the reason why I said you should add enough water.
Everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes.
Now I'm going to go ahead and strain it. I'm going to be using my cheesecloth to strain it. I'm going to double the cheesecloth because I don't want any residue on my treatment, because I don't want to spend hours removing the residue on my hair. So I'm going to double it. So you can double your cheesecloth as well.
Look in my eyes.
So I realized that the bowl that I was using was way too small. So I'm going to be transferring it to a bigger bowl and continue to strain it.
See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice.
Guys, this treatment is so smooth. There's no any residue in my treatment at all, thanks to the double cheesecloth that I used earlier on. Oh my goodness, it's so smooth and it's really slimy and rich. It's very rich. I'm happy with the consistency. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oil. Okay, this part is optional. If you don't have essential oil, don't worry about it. You don't need it. I'm just a little bit extra. I like to go overboard. Okay, so this part is not big of a deal. Okay, if you have your oil such as avocado, rosemary oil, coconut oil, olive oil, you can add just that, okay? But for me, I have the essential oil, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. So the first essential oil I'm going to be adding is, I'm going to add tea tree essential oil. I'm also going to go in and add rosemary and peppermint essential oil. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can add any oil that you feel is best for your hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to my spray bottle. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to your scalp and your hair. As you guys can see, the hair is very dry, so I'm applying the clove water to the hair so it can be easy for me to manage. I'm also going to be sectioning the hair into 3 parts so it's easy for me to apply the treatment. So when it comes to the consistency of the treatment, it was too thick, so it was difficult for me to press the spray bottle. The treatment wasn't coming out, so I'm going to pour it back into the bowl.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should.
I'm going to be adding this spray to the scalp and the hair. So you can use this fenugreek and rosemary treatment 2 ways. You can use it as a pre-poo and as a leave-in. So if you're using it as a leave-in, make sure you add enough water so that the consistency of the spray is not too thick. So what do I mean by leave-in? So basically you don't wash it off, okay? So if you're going to be leaving it in your hair, do not wash it off. You can also use it as a pre-poo. You can make the treatment thick if you like. So if you're using this fenugreek and rosemary treatment as a leave-in, you can use it once a week. And if you're using it as a pre-poo, you can use it twice a month. Don't forget to massage your scalp as it promotes hair growth. So I'm going to allow it to sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm going to wash it out with conditioner, no shampoo, as this can strip off your natural oil in your hair.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Once you're done washing the hair, go ahead and style your hair as you like. Don't forget to apply your favorite moisturizer and lock it in with your favorite oil to lock in the moisture. And don't forget to add your favorite oil to your scalp. If you check out my channel, I have different DIY oil that you can use for your scalp, and it's amazing for thickening hair and to grow your hair. So guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also put on your post notifications so you don't miss my future upload. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.